Number 3, let's get to the team building part. Again, if I was in your shoes, what would I be doing? I'll be doing exactly this, Facebook lead ads. And again, so that's what the program is. Number 3, hiring a client success manager. Client success manager. What does that mean? To proactively update your clients. What is that? So let's talk about the problem. When your clients are left in the dark with where they are with their case, I'm sure this happens a lot. I know this because I'm dealing with them myself. When they don't get updates, know what's going on, all of a sudden they start calling your office. Hey, what's going on with my case? What's going on with the case? Hey, nothing has happened. Chill. Get back to you. That's when they start causing you and your team problems and stress. Who can relate? When you get clients calling the office, what's going on with my case? What's going on with my case? Okay, need a solution for that. And I've seen the top law firms. Again, I'm exposed to a lot of law firms, and I got exposed to it, and I realized they have this one person called the client success manager. And I'm able to implement this for our law firms. And it's a virtual assistant. It doesn't have to be in-house. It does definitely be easily delegated to a virtual assistant. And here's what they do. They proactively, that's the important part, proactively, they hit up the clients instead of waiting on the client to hit you up. You go every 2 weeks, checks in, and provides status updates to our clients once every 2 weeks to make sure our clients are always updated. You call this person a client success manager. Okay, their entire job is, here's a list of our clients. Here's where they are in the process. Hopefully your CRM keeps track of that. If not, we'll talk about that. All it is, go call up the clients, send an email, send a text, whatever, have a way to get in contact. Here's the templates you can use. You just say, here's where you are in your case. That's it. You proactively do that. The benefits is, again, before we get there, the best person to do this is, again, virtual assistant. You don't need to, it's very cost effective, very cheap. I'm not going to get into how much it is, but it's very, very cheap. All it is, just your dedicated client success manager. And they don't do anything else. That's all they do. And it doesn't cost much and saves you a lot of headache. And 3 big benefits is, number 1, increases client happiness, which makes your life much better. Obviously, it makes your life better because they're happy. Makes your life happy for obvious reasons. Number 2, increases referrals. They're happy. They'll be way more likely to send you referrals. And you can also make it that person's job, client success manager. Every time they get the settlement, client success manager, hit them up, ask them, do you know anybody else, who has this, who got into a car accident or have much in mind for referrals, and go get testimonials and things like that. And number 3, keeps your clients FUD free. What is FUD? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And recently I've been noticing a lot of FUD going around in the legal market. There's so much, every time there's a new thing that I share, everyone shares with me the negative aspects of why this wouldn't work. So keep your clients happy, proactively, keep them fear, uncertainty, and doubt free. And again, that makes their life happier and makes your life much better as well. Okay. So to recap, number 1, amplify yourself with a 2-hour video day once every 2 weeks. Hopefully everybody who's here, 82 lawyers that are here, please make sure that's in your calendar, blocked off. Just make sure to use your iPhone, get your microphone, and just make sure to get one employee involved to hold you accountable. Do it, stick to it. It works. It's a long-term play. You're not going to get results right away, but it does pay off down the line. It's like rental property. You don't get rich overnight, but it does, keep you, does make you money over time. Number 2, the best source is using Facebook lead ads. Again, this is my second time putting out to the world, hey, Facebook is amazing to generating leads. That's how I've been able to generate most of my clients in the past couple of years to consistently generate leads. And again, there's a system to man this. There are specific things to say in the ad, specific ads to show how to do it. Should you collect the lead? How should you follow with them? All that stuff, again, I'll be sharing in the program. And number 3, if you already don't have somebody, is to hire a dedicated client success manager, ideally as a VA. Doesn't have to be in-house. Very cheap, very, very cheap. But just the only job is to send status updates once every 2 weeks to every single client. If you can do that, again, increase client happiness, get more referrals, and it keeps your clients FUD free. Good question. before we get to the why Facebook, I keep hearing that the younger generation does not use Facebook. Yes, but there's still the biggest part of the population is still using Facebook. So that's where you're still right now, 2022 and also into 2023. That's still the best source. That's where the most people are. That's where you get the most leads. There's other sources too. There's TikTok ads and YouTube ads and other things. But right now, again, I'm spread across 5 different paid ad sources. Facebook ads is still doing the best. So again, these are the top 3 sources you need to scale your personal injury law firm. There's really no faster shortcuts. Now you have 2 choices. Take that information and implement it. Now that I release it out to the world, please, by all means, go and implement it. Or your second choice is to join us for the next 8 weeks to get the entire system implemented and customized for your law firm. I noticed that a lot of people have the knowledge, but it's not about having knowledge. It's about actually having the structure and the time and the capacity to be able to show up, get it done together, and implement it. Okay, this is not information; it's implementation. We don't have time to learn. I don't want to just teach it to you. And every time I talk to new members, one of the different things I say, I'm not here to teach you. I'm here for you to implement. So even if you implement 20% of it, that's better than you learning 80% of it. So go, implement these things. And we've already done 12 sessions of virtual law firm mastery for the past 2.5 years. I've been doing this, going through these motions of helping lawyers. Now we're currently enrolling for the next group of growth-minded lawyers. Those are the types of lawyers that we're looking for. And at this point, we're very, very particular. Honestly, we don't have any time to mess around with people that we don't want. So we're looking to work with, again, growth-oriented lawyers. So if you consider yourself a growth-oriented lawyer, cares about growth, systems, self-development, learning, things like that. There's like improving yourself and improving your law firm and always wanting to grow. That's the type of energy and personality that we love in our program, because I'm like that. Our team is like that. That's the type of people that we want. Okay. Again, this is on a base. We're offering based on a first come, first serve basis. We're offering the first 10 fast action takers. You call it urgency, you call it whatever you want. But for the first 10 people to join us before July 19th, which is in 1 week, you can qualify for a generous scholarship to be applied towards the tuition for you to join. Again, just a way to get you guys to actually join quickly. We are offering this. Basically take advantage of it if you are interested. Program is called Legal Funnel Mastery. And there is, again, the personal injury track available for only 30 personal injury lawyers. You'll literally be following me along. I'll give you, make sure that first you have all the things that you need to make sure to be able to set this up. Then you'll join me on Zoom as I'm setting it up, the same way that I do this with my in-house team. Following me along. Let's do this together. Create the campaigns together. Let's put it up. Let's give it some time, see what happens, check on it together, troubleshoot it together, advise it, and make sure that we're converting. Again, the goal that I'm shooting for is 1,750 cost per acquisition. That's what I'm shooting for. So if that's within your law firm math, that makes sense for you. That's basically what I'm shooting for internally myself. And all you have to do is go to legalfunnel.com to apply. All the questions about the program, just simple thing is just to go apply. They could tell you everything about it. The cost, this and that, all that stuff. I'll leave that. I don't have time for this stuff. I just come in, do my teaching, do my sharing, and basically run the team. I don't get involved with the front end. And again, the 10 scholarships are available until July 19th. What is the program? The goal is to help you run and automate the virtual law firm. Okay, so you can make more money while you work less. I'm all about working smart. Leverage. Just working smart, basically. Be able to understand big key concepts and be able to, again, use leverage, either other people, content, marketing, team building, technology, using all that stuff as a leverage to be able to make more money while you work less. Also, what's cool about it is you own everything. This is yours. Everything that I do, I don't rely on a marketing company to build it for me. I own everything. I do hire freelancers and independent contractors all the time, but it's all on my platform. It's my thing. Go revise this, because I don't want to be dependent on a marketing company or a person. And if you are right now, you do Google ads or something else, make sure you own everything. That owning is very important, because it's not sustainable. Okay, great. You generate clients now, but what if in a year you want to change that? Especially like, again, your website, Google ads, marketing, funnels, things like that. Make sure you own everything. true wealth is built, usually comes from owning stuff. So make sure you own it. Again, we had 300, you're not the guinea pig. We had 376 lawyers who have already joined us for the past 2.5 years. There might be a whole bunch of you that I saw in the chat that have been here, that have been part of our program. And members have created and launched their own legal funnel to get bookings and calls from their clients. Some have even grown to 6 figures a month. As I shared with you, our lawyers are now generating even 7 figures a month. And our legal funnel students have applied legal funnel to all types of law, including obviously personal injury, estate planning, business law, criminal law, family law, real estate, trademark, immigration, probate, divorce, bankruptcy, DO, workers' comp, tax law, much more. It doesn't matter. I teach it in practical, specific ways to get it done for your practice type. And obviously, if you're personal injury lawyers, I'm going to be very practical for personal injury. And as I shared with you, 110 lawyers have recorded video testimonials, and I provide all the tools, resources, shortcuts you need to get clients for your law firm online and automate your law firm. The same way that exactly how I've been able to generate that many 15,000 clients and gather over 2,000 Google reviews. As I shared with you, this is Chad, who's been able to use Legal Funnel to generate $1 million in 12 months. He continues to do so. We're soon going to be at the ClickFunnels conference, both of us receiving our awards on stage. That'll be really cool. Crystal has been able to use Legal Funnel to get her calendar fully booked. She's actually been running, been seeing her funnel being run as Facebook ads recently. It's been really cool to see that. She's fully, pretty much, if you check her calendar, you can look her up if you want, Lawson firm. Her calendar is fully booked. Jonna, she came because she was just very busy. And she's been able to free up a lot of time, which it's not just about getting more clients. Other thing that we help out with, all the systems and backends to be able to, again, free yourself up by creating systems, team building, automations, all that stuff to be able to free up your time. Julio, if you could look him up, he's an immigration lawyer. He's been able to grow to at least 3,000 TikTok followers, and he leads all that to a funnel, which gets him scheduled bookings, consistently scheduled bookings. Donovan is a Canadian immigration lawyer, have his calendar fully booked for a month and a half, and there's many more case studies. Again, I shared with you the book. Here's the link again. Definitely grab it. A lot of epiphanies shared in there. A lot more case studies and testimonials in there as well. What our class kind of looks like. And every time we do this, the investment to join Legal Funnel increases every session we do Legal Funnel. So don't delay the inevitable to join. So if you're considering joining, don't wait. There is also a huge opportunity cost to this. All these things always change. Things change. And I'm always trying to stay on top of it. And as soon as I have epiphany, I try to implement it right away. By the time the rest of the market catches onto it, it's already too late. That's why I'm, not afraid to share these secret sauces, because I'm always trying to figure out the next thing. I always try to share that with our members. Hey, this is what's working right now. Let's go do this together. Again, all you have to do is to go to legalfunnel.com, or if you've already been talking to your Legal Funnel advisors, Amanda or Kalinda, Amanda's email, advisor@legalfunnel.com. Just email her, or email Kalinda at Kalinda@legalfunnel. Brent said, how do you apply for the scholarship? All you have to do is just go to Legal Funnel and apply, Brent. Or if you're already talking to Amanda or Kalinda, email them right away. So hopefully we can get you the 10 partial scholarships available, again, based on first come, first serve basis. So grab those. All right, again, that was a training. Hopefully that opened up. We did this hopefully all within less than an hour. Great, I love it. That was the epiphanies. So hopefully you'll be able to do something about those epiphanies. If you are personal injury lawyers and you're shooting for the 750 CPA, following me along. Again, I've been able to do this over and over for other practice types, but either you're gonna be doing it with me, or you're gonna be going up against me. So might as well we do this together and be able to generate clients together. So let's go on this journey together. And some people are like, why would you share this? Because again, I see the top marketers and the top personal injury lawyers doing this. So if they're already doing it, it's not like I'm creating more competition. It's already being done. So might as well just at least get people to do this with me. So I'm not afraid of that either. Again, I'm not afraid of sharing. For some reason, I don't think about what ifs. Why am I sharing these things? Again, it's better to join than go up against.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.